The moment you all been waiting for. The most anticipated, notorious, banging song in the history of rap music.
Raised by thugs, schooled by killers. I learned mathematics from big time dealers. So I done rough stutter, see a nigga falling. Block the Glock, sucks plotting on the player cause he's ballin'. Up early in the morning, 40 creeping in my Jeep, nigga. Real thugs don't sleep. You never kill a real G. Feel about how many cops gotta drop before they kill me. Murder in the motherfucking worst way. Turn to a killer on my 21st birthday. Boom, boom on a quick cop truck that. Living like a dog till the niggas get the block back. Oh shit, deep in motion until we get a grip. My motherfuckers won't quit. Living that thug life. Trying to make $1 million up the drug life. I got a clock named Cop Killer. So read the papers. Another cop off the famous. Might spend a little time with a bitch that I know. I'm married to the dirt. My only fear of death is reincarnation. But I'm back reincarnated. Even worse than before. My only fear of death is reincarnation. But I'm back reincarnated. Even worse than before. In my hand got the 45. I can get live to survive, make these niggas die. While getting high, though we cry when these thugs bug. Niggas will leave in their caskets. That's what you get from being player hating bastards. Me and my ex on the chick, we keep a 50 on us. Niggas know you can't touch us when they get to come against us. These niggas be defenses and senses, knocking niggas back on the fences. My whole clique be sick, and though we rip whole crews, niggas knew we came through drinking 22s of brew. And though we drink Hennessy's, we provide our enemies with most shit. The art of war so legit. I read my name out Machiavelli with the thug life tatted on the bottom of my belly. Can these niggas understand this? My whole family is sick and so scandalous. My only fear of death is reincarnation. But I'm back reincarnated. Even worse than before. My only fear of death is reincarnation. But I'm back reincarnated. Even worse than before. My only fear of death is reincarnation. But I'm back reincarnated. Even worse than before. My only fear of death is reincarnation. But I'm back reincarnated. Even worse than before. Go. Them niggas know I suppose they froze once they see me in the dog. Doing clothes in the videos, bitches pause. We all up in them drawers, baby, you know the secret. I got to keep it money, papers, and bitches, my only motto. Drink out the cold 40 bottle, my dog. You know these niggas is home. Now me and Snoop came up and built our name up. Bitches thought they had us crossed, but bitch, I got my game up. I'm a motherfucking baller, alcoholic, you can that's my homie gay. I've been ballin' since around the way and eating. Had a baby, he's needy, but his baby got these niggas running wild from his fucking chick. Death is reincarnation, but I'm back reincarnated. Even worse than before. My only fear of death is reincarnation, but I'm back reincarnated. Even worse than before. My only fear of death is reincarnation, but I'm back reincarnated. Even worse than before. My only fear of death is reincarnation, but I'm back reincarnated. Even worse than before. My only fear of death is reincarnation, but I'm back reincarnated. Even worse than before. My only fear of death is reincarnation, but I'm back reincarnated. Even worse than before.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're driven.
There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fucking fight back. You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south. You're never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fucking fight back.
Flesh of my flesh, come with me. Hail Mary, run quick speed. What do you have laid down? Please, God, can you understand me? That's my family. God is all before we fall into insanity. I'm making a point to make my beat pump and roll like drunk some shit. Daddy, stupid bitches, jaws tight. God, can you understand me? That's my family. God is all before we fall into insanity. I'm making a point to make my beat pump and roll like drunk some shit. Daddy, stupid bitches, jaws tight. I ain't a killer, but don't push me. Revenge is like the sweetest joy that's for getting pussy. Picture paragraphs unloaded, wise words being quoted. Beat the weakness in the rap game and sold it. Bow down, pray to God, hoping that he's listening. Seeing niggas coming for me, for my diamonds when they glisten. Don't pay attention, rest in peace, father. I'm a ghost, these killing fields, Hail Mary, catch it. If I go deep inside the solitary mind of a madman, scream to the dark, evil lurks, enemies, see me bleed. Activate my hate, let it break to the flame. Set trip, empty out my clip, never stop to aim. Some say the game is all corrupted, fucked in this shit. Stuck, niggas is lucky if we bust out this shit. Plus, mama told me never stop until I bust a nut. Fuck the world and they can't adjust. It's just this way of here. God, can you understand me? That's my family. God is all before we fall into insanity. I'm making a point to make my beat pump and roll like drums and shit. Daddy, stupid bitches, jaws tight. God, can you understand me? That's my family. God is all before we fall into insanity. I'm making a point to make my beat pump and roll like drums and shit. Daddy, stupid bitches, jaws tight.
I can't explain what it is my brain does, but however it works, it's insane, it's plain nuts. And it ain't just my brain, it's dangerous. It's a whole combination of things, it takes nuts. And I'm not afraid to raise the stakes up. I got $1 million in the bank and 8 trucks for anybody who gets on the track and spanks us. I'm patiently waiting for the day I'm anxious to see the look on your fake marks when you lost, go bankrupt. You're drunk, you ain't tough, it's too late, son. I don't stop, only thing that I wait for is the day that I ain't gotta report the probate court. A lot of rappers on my list that just ain't a job, and I'ma read that motherfucker off from April. You pussies think I went soft as 8 Mile. When I come back, I'll be shooting more than this paintball.
Please, God, can you understand me? That's my family. God is all before we fall into insanity. I'm making a point to make my beat pump and roll like drums and shit. Daddy, stupid bitches, jaws tight. God, can you understand me? That's my family. God is all before we fall into insanity. I'm making a point to make my beat pump and roll like drums and shit. Daddy, stupid bitches, jaws tight. Hell till I reach hell, I ain't scared. Mama checking in my bedroom, I ain't there. I got a head with no screws in it. What can I do? One life to live, but I got nothing to lose. Just me and you on a runway trip to prison, selling drugs. We all wrapped up in this living like the studs. Took my homeboys and Clayton Max, doing they bid. Raise hell to this real shit and feel this.
Fuck that.
My ammunition varies, my voice carries. Watch me invite the whole world, me and the mob getting married. It seems all the fire screams pierce the dark. Disrespected, a trick bitch, where's your heart? You want watch niggas fall when I call they name. Read out holes on your head, niggas all the same. Except some want more out of life distress. We still plugging to this another left hella prison. God, can you understand me? That's my family. God is all before we fall into insanity. I'm making a point to make my beat pump and roll like drums and shit. Daddy, stupid bitches, jaws tight. God, can you understand me? That's my family. God is all before we fall into insanity. I'm making a point to make my beat